This mathcast is intended for a first grade audience, and today we'll be learning how to classify shapes based on defining attributes using examples, variants, and non-examples, and has been created by me, Randi Davis. So first, we're going to take a look at some shapes here, and these are called quadrilaterals. We know that they are quadrilaterals because they consist in a plane consisting of 4 line segments that do not cross each other. So they each have 4 line segments. Here are some examples of what is not considered a quadrilateral. These, in the shape, the line segments are curved. They are not straight, even though there are 4 there. And this figure, they cross over each other. And this figure is not closed. Therefore, they cannot be considered a quadrilateral. There are also some special type of quadrilaterals, like a square, rectangle, rhombus, and parallelogram, and trapezoid. They all consist of 4 right angles, or they have 4 right angles and opposite sides parallel, or they have 4 right angles and opposite sides of the same length to be considered a special quadrilateral. So we can do some practice questions to get familiar. Makes these shapes. So, circle the shapes that have 5 straight sides. So we can start with the shapes that we know that do not have 5 straight sides. So right away, we can cross out this circle. And we also see that there is a square. Square have 4 sides. And there's a rhombus that only has 4 sides. And a rectangle only has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. And we have a triangle. Only has 3 sides. So that leaves us with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this kite shape here has 5 straight sides. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that is a pentagon. You can circle that one because it has 5 straight sides. And then we have another one over here. Now for the next question, we want to circle the shapes that have no straight sides. So we can move this over here. We immediately cross out that triangle. This trapezoid, and this rhombus. And also this figure down here, this does have straight sides, even though this side is curved. So we're going to cross that out. But we can circle this oval, and this oval, and this circle. They do not have straight sides. How many corners and straight sides does each of the shape below have? So I'm going to have you pause this video and take a moment to answer these questions, and then after we'll go over it. welcome back. So your answer should look something like this. So for A, we have a triangle, and by looking at it, it has 3 corners, so 1, 2, 3, and 3 straight sides. 1, 2, 3. B, we have a rhombus, and let's count the corners. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 straight sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. And lastly, in C, we have a circle, and circles do not have any corners or any straight sides, so we put 0 there. Thank you for watching.